Get the... I'm naked, you stupid fuck! Get the fuck out of my fucking house!
Turn around, Thane.
Get out! Kamala Harris is gonna come... Get the... You ain't touching me!
On October 3, 2024, in Ashland, Wisconsin, police are sent to a quiet residential home for something that immediately raises alarms. A report of sexual assault. Not a rumor. Not a vague tip. A direct accusation involving someone inside the house right now. Officers know before they even step out of their vehicles that this will not be routine. The suspect is identified as 30-year-old Thane Pelton, accused of repeated and ongoing sexual offenses.
Thane, Sheriff's Office. Thane.
Hi, what's your dad?
We need to talk to you.
Can you come here? Can you come here?
We need to talk to you, Thane.
You wanna go talk to your mom? Can you... Hey, what's your name?
Okay, Thane, we need to talk to you.
Get out of the fucking house!
Can you come talk to me, please?
Shut the fucking door right now!
Hey,
cannot break
can you give me your hand? Can you go talk to your mom? Let's go talk to your mom.
Thane, I need to talk to you about what happened.
Get out of my house before I go.
Can you go talk to your mom?
Get out!
Thane, I need to talk to you.
Get out of my fucking house!
I'm not going to leave until I get a chance to talk to you.
I'm gonna push you out of my fucking house right fucking now.
What did you say?
I'm going to push you.
Come on, let's go talk to your mom.
I'm naked. Get the
Thane,
fuck out of my house!
turn around.
Get out of my house!
Turn around, Thane.
Get out of...
Turn around.
Get the fuck... Aside.
Before we go any further, if you follow real cases like this and want clear, responsible breakdowns of what really happens when police walk into chaos, take a moment to subscribe. It helps the channel grow, and it ensures these stories keep being told with context, not clicks. Stay with us, because this case takes turns no one inside that house could control.
Turn around, Thane.
You ain't... Get the You ain't fucking doing... Knock it off!
Drop it, you will be tased.
Get the fuck out of my house!
Turn around.
No, because I'm not
Turn
doing
around.
anything fucking wrong!
Turn around, step over there.
I am naked!
Yeah, I see that. Turn
I
around.
have a court order.
Turn around.
You broke into my house.
Turn around.
Do you want to do this in front of your son?
You cannot do that!
Turn around.
Turn around.
You cannot!
Well, we have special circumstances right now.
You cannot break it!
Turn around. He's going to step forward and grab your arm. If you do anything, I'm going to tase you.
Touch me!
I'm going to tase you.
Don't touch me!
Turn around, Thane.
You have to have a court order!
Turn around.
Megan, call my dad right now!
676. Go ahead and step it up.
Turn around, Thane.
Turn around. Go ahead and turn around.
You don't have a court. I am naked!
I see that.
That's assault!
Turn around, Thane. Turn around, Thane. Turn around.
6, 7. Up.
There's a of a police officer in my house! You cannot
Okay.
come in my house without a court order!
We just came in to talk to you. We need to make sure that...
Grabbing me and he's grabbing me right away.
Okay.
How do you think I feel if I'm naked? He's grabbing me in my own house.
We asked you to come to the door. All right.
You do not have a court order. You cannot come in my house without permission.
Okay.
Broken entered.
Will you let the kids go to their mom?
No.
Okay.
You broke into my.
We did not break into your house.
You're thinking about it, aren't you?
Nope.
You can't do that. Stop touching me.
Turn around.
Take it.
Where are you?
I'm naked! Naked! Naked!
Yes.
Naked! You have no right to do that. Nope.
I don't have a good grip anymore. Thane, stop resisting. Stop. Please, help me. 603, step it up.
You're choking me.
Stop resisting, Thane. Turn around.
When officers attempt to restrain him, Thane fights back. Kicking. Swinging. Elbowing. At one point, an officer is struck in the face. Another is choked. Backup is called. This is no longer just an investigation. It is now an active struggle where officers must protect themselves, the children, and anyone else inside that house.
How are you? You beat your wife. Your wife beat.
Go on my arm.
You failed the psych exam.
Go on my arm.
You did. You failed the psych exam.
Let's go.
No. You just punched me.
You elbowed me in the face.
Assault.
You elbowed me in the
Then
face.
they're punching me. Get mom.
Let go of me.
Nope.
Let go of me. Go.
You can't do that.
He's choking me on everything. Spray him.
No,
Spray him.
no.
Spray him.
Ow. 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 Megan, they're punching me.
You choked my partner.
Megan. Megan.
Stop it.
Megan. Megan!
Hey!
409 North Main Street.
Stop! Stop, please!
Megan!
Stop, please! Hey! Stop! Stop!
Megan!
Please! Please! Stop! Please stop!
Megan!
Please stop it!
Get off my back! Fucking touch me like that.
I only got one arm, I guess. I only got one
Let
arm.
me get up! I'm fucking naked, you racist! You quit! You fucking me!
Nobody's. Relax. Stop resisting. 676. One subject in the back room. We still need assistance.
Get stop kicking me! Stop! You're kicking! Megan!
Saying you need to cooperate right now.
What makes this moment especially disturbing is not just the violence. It is the emotional chaos layered on top of it. Crying. Screaming. Pleas. Accusations flying in all directions. And somewhere in the background, children absorbing trauma that will not disappear when the sirens leave.
Not kicking my partner.
Megan!
Please!
Megan, now! Megan!
Stop, please! Stop!
I got dirt on you. You
Stop!
smoke weed at home, don't you?
Yeah!
And you beat your wife.
No!
And you failed the gun test, didn't you? You're no. There's someone else in here. Tell me what the f*** is going on.
Stop resisting.
Get your hair out of my head and tell me what's going on.
Stop resisting. We can't.
You stupid f***er! Let me get clothes on! Are you f***ing sick in the head?
Are you gonna stop resisting?
What are you
Thane?
Yes, let me out! Get off my f***ing head, you dumbass!
Stop resisting.
And let me get the f***. I'm not.
Stop resisting. Stop. Stop. I'm trying to help. Go to your mom.
Let me sit the f*** down, you stupid sucker! I ain't doing anything wrong!
You need to listen to us.
No!
You need to listen to us.
Get out!
You need to listen to us.
Let me breathe, you stupid f***er!
Stop resisting.
Call 911! You have to let me get ready. You cannot arrest me.
Thane, stop. Stop. Take a breath. You need to relax and do as you're told.
Are you f***ing stupid? Do you know who you're arresting? I'm the president, you f***ing idiots. Pick me up. They're hurting me. I'm naked.
Just catch your breath.
No, I don't need a breath, you f***ing retarded narcissist. Go shoot someone else in your f***ing target practice.
Or just go grab a blanket or something.
You fat f***er.
Thane, relax.
Then get the f*** off of me, you f***.
Not till you relax. Is that a blanket or? That's a big one.
You ain't wrapping me up.
We're gonna cover you.
No, you're not. You're gonna let me f***ing stand. Just please let me f***ing stand up. I'll give you what you want if you let me stand.
Okay.
You're Get the off me.
Just relax. Just keep laying down there.
Just let me
move on your
up.
side. We're gonna move you on your side. There you go.
No, I
Now
want to
breathe.
be standing. I'm not gonna f***ing touch you. I'm not. You're not. What the f*** are you doing? What the f*** is your bad name?
Okay, just chill. Relax.
Just let me the f*** off.
Can't do that right now, man.
Can't do that right now.
Yes, you can.
I can't do
Relax.
it. Okay, just make my clothes on. Okay, we're gonna have you stand up.
Yeah, no shit. Are you stupid?
Up. Put your feet under you.
Let me
Under power.
stand, you idiot.
We are under your
Then
power.
pick me up.
Put your-
I can't do that.
Put your feet underneath.
Just pick me the f*** up, you stupid bastard.
Apply weight to your feet and stand up. There you go.
What are you f***ing looking at? You fail your fucking test, big tough sheriff. Let me get my f***ing boxes on, you stupid.
No, no.
You're not. Then let me fucking put the fucking boxers on.
Let's go, Ken.
Put the boxers on.
Let's go, Ken.
Let me get some fucking boxers.
We got the
You cannot
blanket.
put me in here naked.
Yeah, that's why we grabbed the blanket for you.
What are you doing, McGuire?
You've already tried to
yeah.
kick me a couple times. We're not
No,
gonna put
I
boxes
did
on
not.
you.
Just let me get the boxers on.
Okay, that's why we grabbed you a blanket.
No, I don't want the blanket.
Get in there. Go on, let's go.
The children were removed from the home and placed with relatives due to serious safety concerns. That decision alone speaks volumes. Authorities do not take children out of a home lightly. It requires evidence, risk assessment, and the belief that staying would cause harm. Following the body camera footage and investigation, Thane Pelton was charged with multiple felonies. Second-degree sexual assault. False imprisonment. Resisting and obstructing officers. Disorderly conduct. Some charges did not result in conviction, but many did. On October 14, 2025, nearly a year after the incident, he was convicted on all major charges except strangulation and suffocation. Sentencing is still pending. Depending on how the court applies concurrent or consecutive sentencing, he could face anywhere from 5 to 40 years in prison. That range matters and when the cuffs go on. If you want more case breakdowns that focus on context, accountability, and the human cost behind the footage, support the channel by subscribing. It helps these stories reach people who need to understand them, not sensationalize them. Because cases like this are not just about what went wrong in a single night. They are about warning signs ignored. About power abused. About silence broken too late. And the truth always surfaces.